Hello students, I'm Ajay Singh from Persona Institute, and with me these are the extraordinary students and they are going to discuss on a very interesting topic. So all the students, are you ready to discuss today?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Are you excited to discuss?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good, that's good. So everyone is ready over here. Now the today's topic is, what do you think about the practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge? Practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge. You all are school going students, some are from college, some are professionals. Okay, you have to put your views practically. Practically you have to put your views. Already I have mentioned the word practically, so I think you have understood. So which is better to have, practical knowledge or theoretical knowledge? No need to explain this topic. I think you will speak from all the angle and the topic is going to be very interesting. So everyone, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So who is going to speak today? First, let's start from Shweta ma'am. Yes, ma'am, please put your views.
Thank you, sir. I'm Shweta, and I am here to put my views on which is better, theoretical knowledge or the practical knowledge.
Yeah.
But as I think, both are complement to each other, but theoretical knowledge gives you the foundation for doing practical knowledge or for gaining practical knowledge. Without any theoretical knowledge, you can't do any practicals.
Okay, Chali, that's good. Yes.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I think both are important, the theoretical knowledge as well as the practical knowledge. Because if we have a knowledge about something in theory and we do not apply that in the practical knowledge, we can't do anything.
Right. Okay, that's good. What do you think?
I think both are important, practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge. When we are doing something, so we get theoretical knowledge, and we have experience about anything, so we are applying practical knowledge.
Now tell me, for passing exam especially, which knowledge is required, practical or theoretical, for passing exam?
Sir, I think theoretical knowledge.
Theoretical knowledge is required. That's good. So don't you think theoretical knowledge is better than practical knowledge?
No, sir, both are important.
Both are important. Okay, that's good. Yes, what do you think?
Thank you, sir. In my view, theoretical knowledge is the base of practical knowledge, and theoretical knowledge give a deeper understanding of a particular concept, and without knowledge of a thing, we can't implement. So theoretical knowledge is more important.
Theoretical knowledge is more important. And what about the practical knowledge?
Practical knowledge is also important, but it comes through the theoretical knowledge.
Yes.
For practical knowledge, we must have theoretical knowledge. So theoretical knowledge is the first stage.
Right. Chali, that's good. Yes.
I think theoretical knowledge is better than, because you apply any competitive exam. So first of all, you need to theoretical knowledge, not practical knowledge. Then you success theoretical knowledge. Then after you need to practical knowledge.
Thank you, sir, to giving me this opportunity. I think practical knowledge is better than theoretical knowledge. If we want to swim in a pool, so firstly we have required the practical knowledge. By getting the bookish knowledge, we cannot swim in the pool. So I think, and if we want to do any business, so at that time we have required the practical knowledge. No book help you in to do business.
Okay. Now that Shweta ma'am want to say something.
If you want to swim, you can't directly jump into the pond without having some theoretical knowledge or some instructions from the trainer you are learning from. Otherwise, your life will be in danger.
Right. For a long time, she has been batting. Actually, she want to say something. She's very curious to say something. Yes, please.
Thank you, sir. I think theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge both are important, but practical knowledge is more important than theoretical knowledge, because we need to because we go in medical college, so we need to more practical knowledge, and whenever we more and more need to practical knowledge.
Okay, she thinks that practical knowledge is better. Yes, brother, what do you think?
Sir, I think practical knowledge is more important than theoretical knowledge, because in practical knowledge we come to know about in this particular field how many difficulties and how can we face the in these problems. So I think practical knowledge is better.
That's good. That's very good. He thinks that practical knowledge is better to have. Okay, my questions to you: if you are going to be, if you are going to crack any competitive exam, what is required most? Practical knowledge or theoretical knowledge? Yes. What do you want to say, Ankit?
Sir, firstly, most required experience, because you have experience, so he get easily do job,
Okay.
and he get more money based on your experience, sir.
And
So-
experience is based on practical knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Experience comes with practical knowledge.
Yes, sir.
What do you think?
Sir, I agree with you. Experience comes
From practical.
from practical knowledge, but sir, most required we have suppose mechanic have mechanic have experience, so he repair bike based on his experience, but he have no practical knowledge how to repair the bike.
Okay. Chali, that's good. That's good. Yes. Khushbu want to say something. Yes, please.
Thank you, sir. I think practical knowledge is better than theoretical knowledge.
Coming to you. Yes.
Example for scientist Newton, suddenly fallen down apple and suddenly came the idea.
Idea of gravity.
Yeah, and he used in practically way and made in Gurutvakarsan bal.
Yeah, the gravity theory was given by Newton with the help of practical knowledge. He had no theory, but still he has given the theory of gravity. Yes, what do you want to say? Yeah, coming to
Thank you, sir. I think practical knowledge is better compared to the theoretical knowledge, because practical knowledge is acquired by day-to-day hand-on new experience.
But to pass any exam and to crack competitive exams, you have to knowledge of theoretical knowledge. And when you crack the exam and go to job, so that time practical knowledge required, and automatically you can get experience by your job. So first thing is theoretical knowledge.
theoretical knowledge. But my questions to you: tell me who are more successful, the people who have practical knowledge or the people who have theoretical knowledge? Recently, we have watched a web series, Escape 1992, in which the main character of the web series, Harshal Mehta, he had practical knowledge, and therefore he could actually done something in the market. Actually, he could do something in share market. If he had no practical knowledge, he would not have been successful, right? Let's know the opinion of Shweta
If
ma'am.
he had the moral theoretical some knowledge, then that will not happen what happened to him. If he had read some book on theoretical knowledge.
Okay, let's Mahak, what do you want to say?
I think practical knowledge is also important, because like we take the example of school. If the teacher is teaching only the theoretical knowledge, the students can get bored easily. But if the teacher is teaching through some practical things, the students got the interest in studying, and they will like to study more. But by just theory, they easily got bored.
Okay, tell me language learning. Now we all are learning English spoken. Okay, we are doing the course of spoken English. So is it a part of practical knowledge or theoretical knowledge? Tawfiq, say something about it.
Sir, if we are learning English, so we cannot speak English, because if we don't perform any practical, if we are not speaking English in front of people, so at the time we are not remove hesitation and that type of thing from us. So I think if we want to speak English, firstly we have to learn English. At that time we have to require the theoretical knowledge, and if we want to speak English, so we have to communicate with other person and each other. So at that time practical concept is applied. So I think practical knowledge is more important as compared to the theoretical knowledge.
Okay. If you have to do your business, okay, for doing business, what is required most for doing business? Yes.
I think that the theoretical knowledge is important in
For doing
business.
business.
Yes, sir, because
we want to become a businessman, it's better that how many percentage do we get. So
For doing business, my questions to you. If you have to start a shop, yeah. So for doing
Yes.
this, do you think that the theoretical knowledge is required?
yes, we are opening a shop of gold, so we know about that gold. We have a theoretical knowledge about gold, how it is made and how it is
So don't you think it is a part of practical knowledge?
it's so I think that it is also part of a theoretical knowledge.
Okay. Chali, that's good. It's also part of theory. Yes, she want to say something. Yes.
So I think both are important. I want to give an example.
Yeah.
Sir, there in the courts there are many lawyers. They start from they learning. They first of they learn. After that they experience. That is a practical knowledge.
Right.
Sir, the lawyers get both of that. They also get a theoretical knowledge and they also get the practical knowledge.
Okay. Chali, that's very good. Is there anybody who is going to say something different, something innovative? Yes.
Sir, we are talking about the business field. So, sir, business field in the need to a practical knowledge. We are taking an example Dhirubhai Ambani. So, Dhirubhai Ambani has a practical knowledge and he is developed our business. So, I think practical knowledge is more important in business field.
Okay. Yeah, Shweta, ma'am, want to say something?
My question is that no one can be a Dhirubhai Ambani. No one is other man like him. He is an exception, I think. But most of the business, in most of the business, you have to have some knowledge of at least that business, how to deal with the dealers and how to do that business. You have to study in MBA institute. You will have to learn that all the things in business. Then only you will be more successful.
Shweta, ma'am, my questions to you that there have been many successful businessmen. They have never seen. They have never gone any university, college, but still they are successful businessmen with the help of practical knowledge. Am I right or wrong? Tell me. Yes. So don't you think that to know the market, to observe the market, what is going on in the market is very important. Not to learn the thick books and to have the knowledge to grab the things, because every Tom and Harry doing this, and your academic knowledge does not can never show your practical things. Yes.
Sir, according to me, you are become doctor, so you need to both, because first of all you need to theoretical knowledge, so you clear exam, then practical knowledge practical as well as practical knowledge, because you made any medicine, so you need to practical knowledge.
Okay, Chali, that's very good. Yes, Tawfiq.
Sir,
Coming to you, yes.
Sir, you are right because I am taking the example of the Mark Zuckerberg. When he was in the college, he started to develop the Facebook website, and he did not had any degree about degree of college and at that time he had the practical knowledge how to develop the websites. So he started develop in his college life, and after that he took degree, and after that he became a successful man.
Okay, Chali, that's very good. Yeah, who is speaking from this side? Yes. Yeah, coming to you.
The power of identity in practical, because you are a manager and you are manager and you use practical. So how can deal with people and how can manage? How can deal with people and how can manage this thing?
Absolutely right. For managing, you should have practical knowledge. Yes. What do you think? Yes, have it.
Yes, sir. For a business, you must have knowledge of practical things, because in market field, you know how to say deal with the customers. So you should have practical knowledge. But if we talk about some education field, like we are here to learn English, and first need is that we learn a grammar section, and after learning grammar, we start spoken activities. So firstly, grammar is the part of theoretical knowledge. So first we should have theoretical knowledge, then we can speak English. So after theoretical knowledge, we can get practical knowledge.
Chali, everyone, that's enough. So you all have given your views. That's very good. No doubt we need to have practical and theoretical knowledge both. but remember one thing: to sustain in this competitive world, you must have practical knowledge. At least you must know what is going on in the society, what the people are doing, otherwise you cannot sustain. You can live without degree, but you cannot live without practical knowledge. So everyone, that's very good, and it was really very healthy discussion. We enjoyed it. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए सभी के लिए. Okay everyone, जय हिंद दोस्तों.